Ghanaian market up over 8% for the first quarter of 2012. Are you expecting this positivity to remain going forward?
Yes, we are expecting it, and that is largely because for most part of the quarter, we haven't had the financial releases of most of the listed financial companies, and that tends to be the driver, at least historically, if you're looking at it on a historical basis. That is the most active sector. So far this year, we've had a lot of the non-financials releasing, and those results have been quite strong. Hence the rise right now. We're expecting the market to end the second quarter by about 15% up by the end of June.
Okay, but we've seen Fan Milk, Unilever, Ghana, Total Petroleum as well out with their full year results, and it seems thus far things are looking pretty good.
Yes, things are looking quite good on the non-financial side. What you also didn't mention were the likes of Ghana Oil Company, the likes of Total Petroleum, also an oil marketing company, and Benso Oil Palm, which is an agribusiness firm that focuses on oil palm plantations. Those have done particularly well, and those financial performance, the strong financial performance, has translated into some strong share price rallies in the first quarter.
Nii, you mentioned that a lot of the non-banks obviously out with results are more industrials, but we have seen Cal Bank and UT Bank out with results. Are they going to set the bar in terms of what we can expect going forward?
Yes, we think that is going to be possible. It's not just a question of the strong results that have been released. Fundamentally speaking, they are also quite cheap counters, trading in some cases at less than their book value, and there's a lot of growth potential in that front because they tend to focus on a lot like smaller players, particularly the likes of UT Bank, for instance. It focuses on the small and medium scale and are looking to even expand into more corporates. UT in particular just recently got some capital injection from the IFC that was approved last week. So that is likely also to draw some more activity to it in the future.
Let's just touch very quickly on the cedi. It's weakening. Do you expect this to continue?
Yes, to a large extent. We need decisive action from the central bank to make sure that things stabilize. But that said, I mean, they've been pumping, they pumped a little over $1 billion so far this year to try and support the currency. So they're burning through cash quite fast, and there's very little that they can do right now. What they need to hope for is for speculation not to creep in that there are other systemic issues that are within.
Fantastic.
Currently, the weakness is mostly as a result of unmet corporate demand. But as soon as that is exhausted, things should stabilize.